Okay. It is estimated that humans begin REM sleep 90 minutes after falling asleep. Based on this estimate, how many seconds after falling asleep do humans begin REM sleep?
All right.
Okay.
What do you think here? How do you calculate this?
How do you calculate this?
Yes.
You're supposed for so what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to like be able to be knowing elapsed times.
We're converting 90 minutes to seconds. How do you convert minutes to seconds?
Minutes to seconds. Yeah, minutes to seconds. It's 1 minute, so it means 60 minutes.
There are 60 seconds in 1 minute.
Yeah. And
So
there's
how do you
90
go
minutes.
from
So you're supposed to multiply them.
Mhm.
You're supposed to multiply.
Go ahead and do that.
Yep. 5,400.
All right. So what is the correct answer?
5,400.
Which letter would you select?
B.
Letter B. The computer grades your letter, not your word or your number. So that's why I'm so
Okay.
specific about that, because that's what you have to make sure you do is put the right number down. All right, good job. I'm gonna grab another one here. All right, go ahead and read this whenever you're ready.
Yep. Two units of length used in ancient Egypt were cubits and palms, where 1 cubit is equivalent to 7 palms. The Great Sphinx statue in Giza is approximately 140 cubits long. Which of the following best approximates the length in palms of the Great Sphinx statue? Okay, so what you're supposed to do is that you're supposed to divide.
Okay, why would you divide here?
Because it's showing that it's approximately cubits long, but it needs to be from the length.
All right, are they giving you the cubits or the palms?
We're giving out the cubits.
Okay. It helps
One,
to write a table like this that might help you to answer the
yeah,
question.
140 cubits equals 7 palms.
No, 1 cubit is 7 palms.
Okay. So you're supposed to
How are you going from 1 to 140?
you're supposed to like I don't
When you get
know,
when you get bigger, you're either adding or multiplying. So which is it?
multiplying.
Okay. So do the same thing for the number on the right.
Okay. 980. So the answer is D.
Okay.
Yep.
You're already getting worn out. We're only 2 questions in.
Yep.
All right. Okay. Here we go. Take a look at this one, please.
Yeah. Okay. In 2015, the city of Miami had a population of 441,000 people in an area of 36 square miles. What was the population density of Miami in people per square mile in 2015?
Okay.
Okay. You're supposed to divide. So at least do that. 12,250 is B.
Right. It's 441,000 up top and
It's
36
B.
on the bottom, letter B. Good.
Yep.
All right. Let's do another one here. All right. Go ahead and take a look at this one, please.
If a 3 pound pizza is sliced in a half and each half is sliced into thirds, what is the weight in ounces of each of the slices? 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Measurements are very hard.
Okay. Well, try to follow the sequence of the problem.
Yeah. Well, because I'm just figuring out like I'm solving like what does 36 pounds equal in ounces? Like that.
Well, why don't you do this? Why don't you figure out what 3 pounds is in ounces? How many
Okay.
ounces is 3 pounds?
How many ounces of 3 pounds? 36.
Okay. How did you get 36 from 3 and 16?
Uh, I don't know. I'm just knowing what the ounces are.
Sorry, it's just a
Oh,
multiplication
wait a
equation.
minute. The weight in ounce. Okay, wait, hold on. I got it. Supposed to divide.
How do you go from 1 to 3?
1 times 3.
Okay, so what are you going to multiply
16 times
16 by?
1 plus 6. 1 plus 16 by 3.
Yes. What is 16 times 3?
3 times 6. 48.
Okay. So imagine you're starting out with a 48-ounce pizza. Okay. Now follow the instructions here. It's cut in half, and then each half is sliced into thirds.
Okay. It's B. 6.
what is 48 divided by 2? That's the cut in half.
24.
Okay. What is 24 cut into 3 divided by 3?
8.
Okay, so what is the correct answer?
C.
All right. All right, go ahead and read this out loud, please.
Okay. A certain package requires 3 centimeters of tape to be closed securely. What is the maximum number of packages of this type that can be secured with 6 meters of tape? 1 meter equals 100 centimeters.
Okay, so convert the 6 meters to centimeters.
Okay. 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 So I'm supposed to like.
You're supposed to convert meters to centimeters. They give you the conversion right here.
Meters, centimeters. Okay. All right. So you're supposed to like. Okay. All right. So 1 to 6, 100 to 3. So 600 divided by 200. C.
It is C. Very good. So it's 600 centimeters divided by 3 centimeters, which is 200. All right, very good.
Yep.
All right, you're getting faster at these. That's really good. That's what I like seeing. Go a while to do the first
Yeah.
couple, but I feel like you're picking up steam here and you're gonna move
Mm-hmm.
right through the next. All right.
Okay. A length of 8 furlongs is equivalent to how many meters? Use 1 furlong equals 201 meters. 1 furlong? What is that?
It doesn't matter.
What is a furlong?
It doesn't matter.
Oh.
It doesn't matter. Like replace it with whatever you want,
It's
Sourish.
because we have to do it faster. That's why.
Well, no, it means it doesn't matter what it is. Call it, pick a unit of measure that you care about. You're just manipulating these numbers.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. All right. I got it. Okay. 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 It's D, 1,608.
good. Good. The point is, like, it doesn't matter like what it is. We just do the calculation. I mean, Y is for a different class. Meaning of life, that's for a different class. All right, here's
Mm-hmm.
another one for you to try, please.
Okay. Which of the following lengths in centimeters is closest to 17.25 inches? 180 goes to 2.54. Okay. Okay. All right. I got this. I got it. I got it. Let me figure this out.
Okay. Let me know when you get your final answer.
Okay. It's D
Why is it B? I
because
need you.
because I multiplied 17.25 times 2.54 centimeters.
Very good. It is D. All right. So
And
those are
you're supposed
kind
to
of the,
round it. When you do that, you're rounding it
okay.
to the nearest tenth.
All right. All right. This is the start of the more difficult questions. Um, what I would recommend after you read the problem is figure out the uh, the number of ounces required and then convert ounces to pounds.
Mm-hmm. Make a bakery signature chocolate muffins. A baker needs 2.5 ounces of chocolate for each muffin. How many pounds of chocolate are needed to make 48 signature chocolate muffins? 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Okay, all right. Okay.
So how many ounces do you need for the 48 muffins?
And how many ounces you need? You need 2.5.
That's for each muffin.
Yeah, but for
But
one
you're
pound, it equals
but
16
you make
ounces. So you need
you forget about
16.
that. How many muffins are you making?
48.
So how many ounces do you need for that? You have 2.5
16.
for one. What?
16.
No. One muffin,
One month.
2.5 ounces. 48 muffins.
Okay. All right. 2.5
All right.
times 48. All right. Let me do that. It's D again.
It is not B. That's the number of ounces. Then you have to convert it back to pounds.
And you're supposed to divide by
Yes.
by 48.
Okay, good.
All right.
You have an answer for me?
C.
So how many ounces do you have?
120.
And how many ounces are in a pound?
16 ounces.
Are you going to divide?
Yes.
Okay, please do that.
7.5, it's A.
Yes. All
Yeah.
right. Do you need a short break?
Yeah, short break
How much time do you want?
for 5 minutes.
All right. I will see you in 5 minutes. Hey, Sourish, let me know when you're back.
Yep, I'm back.
All right, so we're going to move on to some new questions here. You did a great job in that first grouping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, trying to decide where to go from here. I think we'll do some percentages. No, that's not going to work. I'm trying to find another topic here that's not overly difficult. Uh,
Okay.
all right, let's do some polynomial
Mhm.
addition. All right. Okay, you ready to go here? I'm gonna restart here. All right, so I want you to combine everything on the left. Tell me what you get on the left when you combine all the x's. These are 1x, 1x, 1x.
Okay. Three. Okay. 3x plus x. Okay, okay. All right.
So how many
So
x's are there?
6.
Okay, so 6x minus, what is minus 3 minus 2?
Minus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1.
No, it's minus 3 minus 2.
Negative 3 minus 2. That's going to be a negative 5.
Okay, equals, how many x's do you have on the right?
2.
All right, go ahead and solve this equation.
Yep. Okay. Mhm.
Tell me what you're doing. What are you going to do to solve this?
I'm supposed to like be able to be. I Is this like a simple equation
You got to move the x to one side or the other. Which way are you going to move it? Are you going to move 6x to the left, to the right, or 2x to the left?
to the left?
Okay, so subtract 2x from both sides. What is the result of that?
That's 4x.
Minus 5 equals,
Yep, you're supposed to add 5 to both sides.
okay, so do that. 4x equals what now?
Yeah, 4x equals 12.
Okay, so
And
what
that's
does
gonna
x equal?
and x will equal 3.
Okay, all right, very good. Any questions on that?
Nope.
Okay, all right. Now this one is not, you're not solving. That's you're just combining like terms. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you're just combining like terms. You got x to the power of 3, x squared, and a minus x.
Yeah.
The parentheses are not needed.
Okay.
So what can you combine here? What are the like terms?
Okay, which of the following is equivalent to the given expression? Okay, yeah, that whatever what you do is that's going to be x5 minus x squared.
Okay, you're not answering any of my questions. You're just doing whatever you want, which is why you got the wrong answer. What are the like terms here, if any? Or what makes something a like term?
Want to make something the like term, the like term. Okay.
Yeah. Are there any like terms here?
X3 and x2.
They don't have the same exponent though.
Okay.
So for like terms, they have to have the same exponent.
Okay.
Do any of these have the same exponent?
Do any of these have the same exponent? Yes,
Which ones?
the x3 and x2.
No, Sourish, one is 3 and one is 2. Those are not the same.
They're different. They're different exponents.
I
This
know
is
we
a
want the
hard
same.
one.
You say that every time you get the wrong answer. Oh, it's hard. No, you're not. Like 3 and 2 are not the same.
Okay.
Are there any like terms? Do you see anything else that's the same? Or anything that's the same in here? Are you looking at my screen?
I'm looking.
Okay, what about these? What are the exponent for each of those?
There's no exponent.
It's just not written, but what is the exponent?
One.
Are they the same?
No, because you can see right there. There's minus one and there's a plus one.
We're talking about the exponent. Exponent.
Okay.
Do they have the same exponent?
Yes.
Okay. So what do they combine to? 1x and minus 1x.
Okay. So wait. Say that again.
Cyrus, come on. Like, you're not even making any effort here. 1x minus 1x. What do these combine to?
Well, one x minus one x. It combines to two
Why is it 2?
because one x plus one x
But
minus
you're
one
not
x.
adding. You're subtracting.
Yeah, I'm saying one x minus one x. That's zero.
It is 0. It goes away. So what is left over?
So what is left over?
Yes. What
Mm,
remains?
x3 and x2. One x3 and one x2.
Very good. So what is the answer?
X3 plus x2.
Okay.
Yep.
Let's try another one of these.
Okay.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
All right, so this is a lot like the previous one. The parentheses are not needed. 2x plus 6 plus x squared plus 2x plus 1.
Okay. Okay, 2x plus 6 plus x squared plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Those two x's right there, they're the same. So to
Okay,
make
so
it,
what do they add up to?
they added they added to 4.
Or what? What goes with it?
4x.
4x. Okay, what else can combine? What else is a like term?
Okay, 6 and 1.
What does that add up to?
7 plus 7. And x
What?
squared is 4x squared.
No, they're not like terms. They don't have the same exponent.
Okay. So that right there is going to be D.
It's going to be D. Good.
Yep.
All right, do you want to do one more or stop here?
We can do one more.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Now, x2 and x3 are the same.
They're not the same.
And
They have different
x3.
exponents.
X3 and x3
Okay. What does that add up to?
adds to 6.
No. There's a 1 in front. You're adding the numbers in front, not the exponents.
Oh, yes. That's going to be 1x3 and not 3, 6.
You're not adding the exponents. Do not add the exponents.
So it's 2x3.
What is the exponent? Yes, 2x3. Anything else?
X2 and another x2. There's plus x2 and minus x2.
So what does that become? One's positive, one's negative.
X2 minus x2, that's going to be plus x2.
Okay, you've got one positive and one negative. You have one and you're taking one away.
Mm-hmm. That's 0. That's just
Yes. Yes.
mhm.
Okay. What about the x and the minus x?
X and the minus x. Mm-hmm.
Yep.
They are the same in which they're subtracting. It makes it makes it 0.
Very good. So this is your final answer.
2x3.
Yep. All right,
Yep.
we're going to stop here for today. Good job.
Yep.